hurt me through and through. But you can have your way. I can pretend each time I see you that I don't care and I don't need you. Girl, you'll never see me crying. You know inside I feel like dying. And I'd do anything for you. In spite of it all, I've learned so much from you. You made me strong. Don't you ever think that I don't love you. For 1 minute I forgot you. But sometimes things don't work out right, and you just have to say goodbye. I hope you find someone to please you, someone who cares and never leave you. But if that someone ever hurts you, you just might need a friend to turn to. And I'd do anything for you. I'll give you up. That's what I should